Alright, here's a little overview. We're looking up at the ceiling. Now we're looking across the ceiling. Now we're looking up at the ceiling again, up through there into the shower. This is the trap that's for that shower. This is the laundry that provides the vent. I'm so sorry, that's the vanity that provides the vent. It's on the outside wall. I do this at an angle like I'm doing here to avoid putting 45s up there sometimes. I don't know why I do it, because we're trying to protect the light where my fingers are. But I think these guys put the light in the ceiling, so I guess I'm a waste of time on that one. Got the foam and the boga plates already installed. And we're on our way home. It's the back of the truck.